Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. Start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find general management. Then let's tap on the language. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got English and Spanish, so let's add another language, tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. If you cannot find your language here, no worries, because right here we've got only those which are suggested by Samsung. But you can tap on the three dots icon and tap on all languages, so the list will expand. So all you have to do is to find yours, of course, and tap on it. So let me pick French. You can choose the region, and your device will ask you whether you want to keep current, so leave the English, for example, or set the new one as a default. So just tap on set as default. As you can see right here, we will have the French language at the top of the list, and from now on the whole system will be in the chosen language. If you've got more than one languages here in this list, you can simply change it just by tapping on the language you'd like to use and tap on apply. And in a second the English will be at the top of the list and will be applied. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on edit, mark those which you want to delete, and tap on remove. Tap on remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.